the English-speaking world, travel like a local. Planning a trip to an English-speaking country? Whether it's dodging double-decker buses in London or apologizing to everyone in Toronto, this guide will help you communicate like a local and avoid those cringe-worthy tourist moments. Here's the thing nobody tells you, the difference between sounding like a tourist and blending in isn't about perfect grammar. It's about understanding the weird culture behind every conversation. Let me break down the politeness game, because it varies wildly by country. In the UK, please, thank you, and sorry, are basically punctuation marks. I once watched a British person apologize to a door. They'll say, cheers, for everything. It's their Swiss Army knife of social interaction. When they say something is quite good, they actually mean it's amazing. British understatement is an art form. Americans are direct but friendly, like a golden retriever in a business suit. When someone asks, how are you, they don't want your life story. Just say, good, thanks. Americans love enthusiasm. Their default setting is somewhere between motivational speaker and game show host. Canada really does live up to the stereotype. They apologize constantly. But it's not weakness, it's social lubrication. They're saying, we're all just trying to get through this weird human experience together, eh? Australia keeps it casual, like they're permanently on vacation. No worries is the universal Australian response to everything from spilled coffee to natural disasters. But it's not weakness, it's social lubrication. They're saying, we're all just trying to get through this weird human experience together, eh? Australia keeps it casual, like they're permanently on vacation. No worries is the universal Australian response to everything from spilled coffee to natural disasters. Now, let's talk strategy. Strategy 1, mirror their energy. Americans speaking at light speed with puppy enthusiasm? Match that pace or you'll sound like you're speaking underwater. Brits being more reserved than a Swiss bank account? Channel your inner librarian. I learned this the hard way in a Manchester pub when I tried American energy levels with British locals. They looked at me like I was a caffeinated circus performer who'd lost their way. Strategy 2, steal their expressions. Don't just learn words, steal their rhythm. Instead of great, try brilliant in the UK and watch faces light up. Americans love awesome for everything. Australians will hit you with good on ya for doing anything right. Canadians say beauty for excellence. Strategy 3, ask for clarification like you own the place. Instead of mumbling, I don't understand, try, could you run that by me again? You sound engaged, not lost. I'm not following, could you explain, shows you're participating, not drowning. But people genuinely want to help you succeed. That barista in Seattle who explained coffee sizes like a university lecture? The pub owner in London who taught me cricket over fish and chips? Pure kindness everywhere. Every conversation became a chance to connect. Every mistake became a story I'd tell later to great laughter. The moment I realized I was thinking in English instead of translating, I was debating Dublin taxi routes to Temple Bar. Not arguing, engaging like locals do when they care about something. That's when I knew I wasn't just visiting anymore. Remember, fluency isn't about perfection, native speakers mess up constantly. It's about connection and confidence to engage with the world, even without perfect words. Whether you're ordering a flat white in Sydney, asking directions in Manhattan, or discussing weather in London, you've got this. Your English adventure is waiting. Pack your confidence, bring your curiosity, and get ready to discover not just new places, but new versions of yourself. The person who can crack jokes in a foreign language, debate taxi routes with locals, turn coffee orders into friendships. Where will your English take you? The world is full of people speaking your target language in wonderfully different ways, and they're all waiting to meet you.